Everybody, this is Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life, and I'm here with my new memory book I ordered. That it's made by Zio. It I can't remember what I paid for it. Just hang on one second. I can tell ya, cause I love them. This is the second one I bought. Let's see, new orders. It's actually a leather scrapbooking album. It was, come on, load. $22.97. It's well made. I like the first one I bought. That one. Ellie, it's on my. Where did I put it? Ellie, it's on my shelf. Would you get it?
What shelf?
This white one in front. Oh. No. The brown little leather bound. Yes. This is the first one I have. Yes, eat it.
Yay.
And it's very sturdy. And I went with a different color this time because this is book 1 of 2024. And this is going to be book 2 of 2024. And you always get these little stickers, which I usually give to Riley. These hold photos, but I don't use them. And these little packets of stencils, which, thank you. You get like a little sailboat, rose. Let's see. We'll use the back of my mouse pad. See, that one, birthday one. I don't use them. At least in here I don't. I may use them in other projects. Merry Christmas. And then some little pins. And of course the alphabet. But I won't be using them in this. Put this back in a wrapper, Allie. I don't want it. What you do with the wrapper?
Right here.
I want the wrapper, remember? So we'll put them like that. Put back in the package. And I'll maybe send them out in friend mail. Who knows? You never know. Yeah, right there. Then got these, of course. Like I said, I don't use these little corner things. I actually got the last bunch, and these I just give to Rue somewhere. But the neon gel pens, I like these. I've used them, so that was a good one. Then this is the color I chose this time around. You get 60 sheets. So you're gonna get a pocket, and then you get, and they're nice and sturdy too. They're not flimsy. I mean, this book, look at, holds a lot. I got a lot in it. I'll put video of this up if anybody wants to go check it out. And I do believe I have one of these, some of these left. So I'll add that to the back here. But this is the start of the rest of the year for 2024. So this will be book 2. They also have where they're just plain, and I believe roses. I went with Memories of Time. I thought that was fitting. And maybe next year when I order for 2025, I'll do the plain ones, or maybe roses, who knows. But I started, how I started this was in a Delusion little traveler's notebook. And then I got a Smash book. And then I moved, Smash books are so pricey, and I moved on to this. So this is my legacy right here for my grandkids and my children. My daughter and my son to look back when I'm gone, and then my grandchildren to go, oh my God, I forgot about that. So thanks for watching, everybody. Have a good day. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now.